Hey guys, welcome to another day of working on the 240. So it might be a little echoey in here because there's a lot of open space over here. Let me see if I can find a different spot where it's less echo. I came out here to my backyard. Hopefully it's a lot less echoey like it was over there. But anyways, I didn't really feel like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I really didn't feel like recording. It's gloomy outside. It's the typical Florida when it's about to rain. But this video is mostly gonna be cut in different days. But we're gonna go ahead and start tearing apart the interior for the 240. I was planning to try to get the engine started up like I said in the first video, but I'm waiting on the pulley. I ordered the stock pulley, and everywhere online they're like backed on that order, or they just don't have it, so it's gonna take some time to get that in, and without that I'm not gonna be able to start up the car. So while we're waiting for the parts to come in for the engine, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking apart the car inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like currently inside, and then we're gonna go ahead and start working our way from there. And like I said, you're gonna see different clips of different days, so I'm gonna be wearing different clothing and stuff, so try not to let that trip you. But yeah, enjoy the process, guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the headliner inside the car. You can see how it's already sagging. I'm not sure whether if I'm gonna go buy another one, but let me go ahead and show you guys what it really looks like inside the car. It's like all stained up. Yes, I could pull it out, try to clean it up and paint it up, but I'm just gonna fully remove it. And what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna just cut around here, because I don't want to mess with this and then have water leaking through it already with the sunroof. So I'm gonna just still cut all the way around, and then I'm gonna also remove this part too. And it has some nasty sticky stuff there. I don't understand where it's coming from. It's really disgusting, but we're gonna go ahead and start removing all that. And like I said, we're gonna cut all around there. So there's gonna be this panel that holds onto the headliner as well. So you wanna get a flathead and just try to pop this out, and then there's gonna be a screw inside there to take out. As well as with this, you get a flathead, pry it right under, no, it should pop right out. There's gonna be 3 screws to take out, and then you should be able to pull this panel out and then be able to rip more of the headliner off. So over here it looks perfectly fine for like, car has been 1990 and this is still like the factory paint. It looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Of course there's gonna be some surface rust and some of the metal here and there. The back part is where I'm more concerned about. It does have some rust, as you can see there. We could try to sand that off, paint it over, and call it a day. But I'm not sure what we're gonna do about that. It's nothing crazy, but I still want to address it. And my plan for the rear seats, as cool as it is to have it, I do like it, but I'm probably gonna throw it out. So I'm gonna remove it right now, try to get all of these panels removed, and yeah, probably in the future I might have a bar here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm definitely gonna have these seats removed. I'm probably gonna make this car more track oriented. So yeah, that's the plan for that. Maybe in the future when I buy another 240, I'll keep all the OEM stuff with the seats and all that. But as far as for this one, I'm definitely gonna get rid of these seats. Yep, I know. I'm still on the way. It's been a pain in the butt, but almost done taking all this out. Alright, so this is what it looks like after taking out the whole carpet. Exactly what I expected. I know it was gonna look nasty after my experience with taking out the Miata's floor carpet. I found a roach and I freaking murdered it. It was pretty nasty. But look at this. So spots like this that you see that has rust, I plan on having the welder come just cut a piece out and weld a new metal spot. And over here, you can see how it comes over. Like it's not flat, it comes over like a mountain. My plan, since there's already rust building up here, I'm probably gonna cut like over here like a rectangle and then make it come even so it's like flat. So yeah, and then obviously surface rust like this, I'll go ahead, sand it down and paint it up, as you guys will see. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and try to chip out this extra layer. I don't know what it's called, but it's like stuck with some very strong adhesive. And the reason why I'm gonna take this out is because it's very flammable, and I also want to see what the metal looks like under it, of course. I've been at it for like an hour trying to chip this out with this and a flathead. So I've been told that if I put some dry ice on top of it and let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes, I should be able to come with the hammer, bang it up, and it'll just break into pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and see if that theory is correct. Alright guys, this is where the video is gonna end. I know I look beat up. I've been at it for hours, man, and I'm exhausted and tired. So the video should be, I feel like it should be long enough. So I'm gonna leave it at this as a part 1, and the next one's gonna be the part 2 for the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it came out. Also, make sure you wear your safety glasses when you're beating up the pieces inside. Pause. So this is what it looks like after vacuum cleaning and freaking beating the crap out of it and taking everything all out. So I didn't take out the middle part, and it's like super stuck towards the front over there, but I'm gonna just leave it like that. You know, I'm not really gonna stress out about it or make it a huge deal, but honestly it didn't come out too bad. You can see the outlines of where they used to be at. So all the rust that you guys are seeing, a lot of them is just surface rust. So the next video what you're gonna see is me sanding it all down and then priming it on top. That's how you normally take care of the rust. Now for the ones that looks like they were eaten through, like this, is when we're gonna have the welder come through and we're gonna cut out like a piece through here, there, and put a new metal piece, and everything else we're just gonna go ahead and grind it out, and then we're gonna prime it all together. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that in the next episode. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I love you guys. Take it easy.